Welcome to our No Fire Cooking adventure where creativity meets safety and nutrition. Today, our talented students are taking on the challenge of creating delicious meals without using any heat sources. Let's see what they have in store. No fire cooking is all about using fresh, raw ingredients. This method not only preserves essential nutrients but also keeps the natural flavors intact. Blending fruits and vegetables for smoothies and cold soups is a popular no-fire technique. No-fire cooking isn't just about savory dishes. Our students also prepared dishes like nuts ball using dried fruits, dal laddus, etc. One of the greatest benefits of no-fire cooking is safety. Without the need for stoves or ovens, it's perfect for young chefs. Join us in embracing the art of no-fire cooking. It's healthy, fun, and a great way to learn new culinary skills. Remember, delicious foods doesn't always need heat. No-fire cooking is an innovative, healthy, and environmental-friendly opportunity.